What is what is the value of Q? System is in equilibrium. 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 So we have to find out. So what is the value of Q? So that system is in equilibrium. System is in equilibrium. This is a given figure. This is charge is capital Q. Here also capital Q. Here small q. Distance between the two charges is A. This is a A. This is a Q. Okay, we have to find out potential energy. Potential energy. So already I told you very clearly that is the system having number of pairs. The system having number of pairs. So that is factorial. That is n into n minus 1 by 2. But how many charges here? 1, 2, 3. And it's equal to 3. So here 3 into 3 minus 1 by 2. So what is the value? This is a 3. This is a 2. 3 minus 1 is 2 by 2. 2 to cancel. This is we are getting 3 equations we are getting. 3 energy equations. 3 energy equations we are getting. That is one is U is equal to general formula. U is equal to Q1, Q2 by distance between the two charges. This is a general formula. Here K. So this is this Q into this Q. That is K into Q1 means Q. Q2 means Q by distance A plus next second. This is K into Q1 means capital Q. Q2 means capital Q. That is square. Distance between the two charges 2A plus next this Q into this Q. Q into Q. Capital Q and small q by distance is A. This is the total energy. The system is the system is equilibrium means energy is zero. Energy is zero. We are taking K, take the common, capital Q small q by A plus K Q square by 2A. K is common, take common plus capital Q by small q by A. This is this K take this side. So what will happen? K take this side. It becomes 0. This is Q capital Q small q by A plus capital Q small q by A. That is 2 capital Q small q by A plus this is Q square by 2A. That is equal to 0. 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 So in this equation, 2Q capital Q by small q A is equal to minus Q square by 2A. A cancel each other. So Q cancel each other. That is 2Q is equal to minus capital Q by 2. We have small q is equal to what we are going minus small q. 2 take this side minus Q4. This is your value. So this is Q. This Q is minus Q by 4 means the system is equilibrium. The system is energy. The system is equilibrium position. So this is Q is equal to minus Q by 4. We are keeping here. The system is in equilibrium. The system is in equilibrium. Okay. So we have to check it. We have to check it. How can we check? You see, this is how can we check? Check it. So we have the equation U is equal to, this is equation I'm taking. So this is K into capital Q. Small q means minus Q by 4. Q by 4A plus Q square. This is Q square by 2A plus Q. Small q means minus Q by 4 by A. This is your. That is U is equal to. So what is the U is equal to? So K into, this is a Q into Q. Q square minus Q into Q. Q square minus 4 by A plus Q square by 2A. This is a plus into minus minus Q into Q. Q square. This is a 4 by A. 4 by A. That is the value. Now we will see this is a u is equal to k. This is a minus q square by 4a minus q square by 4a. So what is the value? Minus q square by 4a minus q square by 4a. So 4a take LCM, minus q square minus 2q square. So 2 ones to 2 cancel. That is a minus q square by 2a. This value and this value combined, this value is minus q square by 2a plus q square by 2a. So what is the value? This is the value is 0. Thus, this is a total energy of the system. This is a total energy of the system is 0. When it becomes 0, the system u is equal to 0. U is equal to 0 means the system is, so that the system is equilibrium. So that the system is equilibrium. But what is the value of q means? That is minus q by 4. Minus q by 4. This is a minus q by 4. Put in this equation, the whole system is equilibrium condition. Equilibrium condition. That is a keep in mind. Right? Mind. Okay. Next. Okay. Next. Next problem. Here I'm taking a capital Q. Next, another problem, capital Q. So the system in equilibrium. The system is, this is Q, this is a Q, this is a minus Q. Distance between the two charges is yes. This is a yes. Okay. So we are taking equation, same equation. We are going to develop how many equations we are getting? 3 equations. The system having the pairs, number of pairs, NCR is equal to n into n minus 1 by 2. So n is equal to how many charges? 1, 2, 3. Charges is 3. So this is a 3 minus 1 by 2. So that is a 3, 2 by 2. 2 to cancel. That is a 3. That is a, so this how many we have the system of charges? Energy of system means 3 equations we are getting. So one is Q into Q, another one is Q into Q, and we have this equation. U is equal to energy K into. So general formula, U is equal to K Q1 Q2 by R. This is a distance general formula. General formula. How many we have the equations? Energy equation U1 plus U2 plus U3 we have. So what is a U1? U1 means I'm taking this is a K Q minus Q by distance is A. U2 means this is a Q, this is a Q. K into Q square by distance between the two charges, that is a 2A. Next U3 is equal to this 2 Q's, I'm taking K minus Q small q by distance A. This is a U1, U2, U3. This is a U is equal to K common and Q minus capital Q small q by A plus this is Q square by 2A minus this is capital Q small q by A. We are taking this. So this is so the system is in equilibrium. System is equilibrium means you should be 0. You should be take 0. Okay, you should be take 0. How can we take this one? That one. The system is in equilibrium. So U is equal to 0. Okay. So 0 is equal to, this is a value, minus capital Q by small q by A. Okay. So K take this side 0 minus capital Q small q by A plus Q squared by 2A minus capital Q small q by A is equal to 0. This is a 0 is equal to, this is a value is 2 capital Q small q by A. This is a minus capital Q small q by A. This is a minus Q capital Q small q by A. We are in, this is a plus Q square by 2A. So this value take this side, that is a 2 capital Q small q by A is equal to Q square by 2A. So A cancel each other. This is a Q square and Q cancel each other. Remaining one Q there. This is a 2 into capital Q is equal to small q by 2. Small q by 2. And I need capital Q is equal to what we are putting, that is a cube. Cube by 2, take this side, that is cube by 4. This is a value. This is your answer. That is a answer. We have to check it. So U becomes 0 or not. General equation. This is equation I'm taking. This is U is equal to K. Answer checking mark. Answer I'm checking 2A minus capital Q by small q by A. Okay, U is equal to K. So finally our answer U is equal to 0 means our answer is correct. Our answer is correct. The system is in equilibrium. Otherwise not. This is a minus capital Q by 4. This is capital Q. I'm writing Q by 4 into Q by A plus Q square. So Q square by 2A minus, this is a capital Q by 4 into small q by into A. This is a U is equal to K minus Q into Q square. This is a 4A plus Q square by 2A minus Q into Q square by 4A. Okay, now U is equal to K. I'm writing upside. So U is equal to this is a minus Q square by 2. So this is a minus Q square by 2A. This is a overall minus Q square by, this is a 2A plus Q square by 2A. This is a plus Q square by 2A. This is a minus Q by 2A is equal to U is equal to 0. U is equal to 0. Your answer is correct. Your answer is answer. This is a checking answer. Checking answer. Okay. That is a one model. Okay, this is one model. Next I'm going to explain concept. Next concept. So electric potential due to uniform charge rod. Okay, this is a rod, uniform rod. This is a rod. This is a rod. Length of rod is L. This is a partial charge. Charge Q is uniformly distributed along the rod. The Q is charge is uniformly distributed along the race. That is the capital Q. That is the capital Q. And I'm checking. This is a small element. This is a small element. We are taking. This is a dx. Dx is a small element, small part of the rod. This small part of the rod having charges, that is a dq. Small charge. Small part of the element is dx. This small part of the element having dq. Small charge. This is a P point. This is a P point. P point. Distance from here to here is, I'm taking this is a distance is, I'm taking this is R. Distance from here to here is R. I'm taking R. R. This is R. This is L. This is a L. Okay. So distance between distance between here to here is R. Now from here to here is distance is this is a point P and this is a small element. The distance between small element. This is a point charge. This is a point P. X is a X. X is a distance between. This is a small element. This is a point P. Point P. This is a distance. Now. So this is the element having charge dq. This is a point P. At point P, we have to find out the electric potential due to discharge. Due to discharge. How can you find out? First of all, linear charge density. This is a linear charge density is equal to charge per length. Total charge is Q by length. Charge per unit length. This is a charge per length. This is a total length of the rod. Suppose this is a lambda is equal to dq by dx. This is a linear charge density is equal to dq by dx. This is a small charge per small length. This is a linear charge density is equal to total charge by total length of the rod. Total length of the rod. This is a dq is equal to lambda dx. I'm going to write. This is a q is equal to lambda L. This is a point. Okay. Now, so here you see at this point we have to find out the electric potential. Electric potential. So at the B point. So we are going to find out at this point we have to calculate electric potential due to this element of the charge. Now, dv is equal to k into dq by distance between point P and dx is x. This is a electric potential at the P point due to element. Charge on the element. Charge on the element. I'm going to write electric potential. So electric potential at P point due to charge on small element dx. Electric potential at the P point due to charge on small element. That is dv small electric potential is equal to k dq by distance between the small element and point charge is x. This is equation number 1. This is a small electric potential. That is a small electric. Small electric potential. That is a small electric potential. I want to find out total electric potential. At the P point P due to charge on total length of the rod. Total length of the rod. Lower limit is R. Upper limit is R plus L. L plus R. That is L plus R. So integration applied both sides of this equation. Integration applied both sides of this. So this is a dv is equal to k d cube by x. Integration applied both sides of the equation. Integration derivative cancel each other. V is equal to, this is lower limit is or upper limit is L plus R. L plus R P is equal to R L plus R K dq. dq means that is dq is equal to lambda dx by x. This is a V is equal to integration or L plus R. This is a K. K lambda is constant 1 by x dx. 1 by x dx. This is we are going to write. This is a V is equal to lambda K. This is a total value. Total value is integration 1 by x dx means that is a log x. Log x. Upper limit is L plus R. Lower limit is R. Integration 1 by x dx is equal to integration 1 by x dx is equal to log x. Log x, that is a form. Log x form. So next, v is equal to k lambda. This is the value put in this equation. Log upper limit put in the x equation, L plus or minus log x. Lower limit put in the x value. This is a, so v is equal to, this is the formula, log a minus log b is equal to log a by b formula. Log a by b formula. According to this formula, v is equal to k lambda log L plus R by, this is the x value put in the R. So that is R, this is the value. So v is equal to k lambda log, this is L by R plus 1. This is a v is equal. Suppose for example, L is equal to R equal, both are equal. So v is equal to k lambda log L by L plus 1. R is equal to L. L is equal to R. You are taking L and cancel. So that is a v is equal to k lambda log 2 value. Log 2 value v is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught lambda log 2 value. That is the your electric potential at a P point. Electric potential at a P point. P point. This is a derivation. So this is a total electric potential at 50 point due to charge on total length of the rod. Total length of the rod. This is a electric potential. This is the electric potential. This is a total electric potential due to total length of the, due to charge on total length of the rod. This is the electric potential. This is a electric potential. This is a small electric potential at 50 point due to charge on small end. Small potential. A small charge gives small potential. This is a Q means lambda means we are going to write lambda is equal to capital Q by L. Q is equal to lambda L. Lambda L, you are going to write this is a Vp is equal to lambda L by 4 pi epsilon naught log 2L. Log 2L. You can write this also. Q is equal to lambda Q by L. Q by L. We are taking Q by L. We are taking this is a Q by L. Q by L log 2. You can write this. So this is a total charge. Total charge gives total potential at P point. Okay? P point. This is a okay. So first, at this P point, this is a small element that is a dx having small charge. This is a P point. At this P point, we have to calculate small potential due to small charge. That is what this is a formula. Integration applied both sides of the equation. You are getting the at P point. we are getting, we have to calculate the total electric potential at P point due to capital Q charge. Capital Q charge. That is the O. Okay. Even of mine. Say electric potential V due to uniformly charged arc. Charged arc. Charged arc. Charged. So this is a radius R. This is angle theta. This is arc. This arc having positive charges uniformly distributed over the arc. So this is the length is L. Actually, arc is equal to L is equal to R theta. Okay. The next, so linear charge density is equal to charge for length. Linear charge density is equal to, this is a small delta Q by length is delta L. So this is lambda is equal to linear charge density is equal to total charge by total length. This is linear charge density is equal to small charge by small length. Small charge by small length. This is a dq. This is a dl. This is a, I'm thinking this is a part. This is a part of dl. Okay. So come to the point. So electric potential due to. So this is a dv is equal to, so k into dq by, this is a radius r. We are taking radius r. This is a radius r. This is a r. This is a r. So this is a dv, small electric potential is equal to k into dq by r. dq by r means this is a small charge. This is a radius r. This is a k. This is small electric potential. We want total electric potential. Electric potential means what we have to do. Integration applied both sides of the equation. Integration applied both sides of the equation. Derivative integration cancel each other. B is equal to integration k dq means, what is the dq from this equation? dq is equal to lambda dl. So that is a dq means equal to lambda dl by r. That is a part. Next, so b is equal to integration, so k lambda dl by r. So b is equal to k lambda by r, take the common dl. Integration dl means integrative derivative cancel. That is b is equal to k lambda by r into l. So b is equal to k lambda by r. L means what is the length? The length is equal to r theta. R cancel. B is equal to k lambda theta. So B is equal to K means so 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught lambda theta. We are going to write lambda theta. So lambda theta. Next to B is equal to lambda means lambda. So lambda means theta 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Lambda means lambda is equal to Q by L. So Q by L is equal to theta by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by L means L is equal to R theta. R theta cancel each other. So V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught capital Q by R. That is the electric potential active. That is a formula. That is a for example, related problem, semicircle. Semicircle. Semicircle means this is a semicircle. Charges, positive charges uniformly distributed along the semicircle. This is the P point. This is a P point. At this P point, we have to find out the electric potential. Electric potential. So what is a theta? This is a semicircle means theta is equal to 5. We can use this formula. We can use this one. So V is equal to lambda theta by 4 pi epsilon. 4 pi epsilon. V is equal to lambda. Theta means what is a theta? 5. 4 pi epsilon. 4 pi epsilon. This is the this is a formula. Next, suppose for example, we can use this one. So V is equal to Q theta by 4 pi epsilon naught L. So V is equal to Q capital Q theta means 5. This is a 4 pi epsilon naught L. 5 cancel. V is equal to Q by 4 epsilon naught L means what is the L? L means what is the L? L means R theta. R theta. R theta. So R theta is equal to Q by 4 epsilon naught R theta means 5. So what we are getting? So V is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R. This is a your answer. That is a your answer. We are going to solve. We are going to solve the problem. Okay. So this is the formula we can use. We can use this. Okay. The next quadrant. Next example problem is quadrant. 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 So this is a quadrant. Charge is positive charge. Theta is equal to what is the angle? Theta is equal to 90. Theta is equal to 90 degrees. This is a theta is equal to 5 by 2. 5 by 2. We have the two formulas. V is equal to lambda theta by 4 pi epsilon naught. One formula. So V is equal to one more formula. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q by R. Q by R. This is a one formula. This is a V is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R. One formula. This is a one formula we can use. This is second one. The first formula V is equal to lambda. Theta means what is a theta? 5 by 2 by 4 pi epsilon. This is a V is equal to 5 cancel. This is a lambda 2 take down. This is a electric potential in terms of lambda. This is a V is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon R Q by R. So this is the electric potential in terms of charge. In terms of charge, this is the unit. In terms of charge. Okay, suppose for example, this is a lambda. Lambda means what is a lambda? Lambda is equal to Q by L. Q by L. V is equal to lambda means Q by 8 pi epsilon naught L. L means R theta. L means R theta means V is equal to Q by 8 pi. L means R theta. Theta means 5 by 2. 5 by 2. You can write this is a V is equal to Q 8 5 epsilon naught or 12 to 4. Again, you are getting same. P is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught. Q by 4 pi epsilon. So this is the concept. This formula keep in your mind. This is one formula. This is second formula. This is keep in your mind. This two formulas. This is a problem is related to this concept. Before I explained the semicircle and quadrant, this is the problems are related to this concept. Keep in your mind. Keep in your mind. Well, next, electric potential due to electric potential due to non-connecting charge disk. Non-connecting charged disk. Charged disk. Electric potential due to non-connecting charged disk. Charged non-connecting charged disk. Okay. Now I'm checking. This is a non-connecting. This is a non-connecting charged disk. Non-connecting charged disk. This is a axis. This is a axis of non-connecting charged disk. This is the axis of non-connecting charged disk. So this is a point P. Point P. This is a point P. Point P. Point P on the. This is a point P. Point P keeps on x-axis. Any point of x-axis. X-axis. So this is a disk. This is a disk. This is a disk. This disk can be divided into this disk. We can divide the disk into number of concentric circles. Number of concentric circles. This disk can be this disk. This is a disk. Non-connecting charge disk. Non-connecting charge disk. Actually, our target. What is our target? So we have to find out. So find let us find the electric potential. Okay, actually the thing is, this is this is a this is a non-connecting charged disk. This is center of disk. This is axis of disk. Axis of disk. This disk can be, we can divide this disk into number of constituents. Suppose this is a disk. This can be divided into. Suppose this is a one element. This is a one element. Next, this is a second element. This is a second element. Next, this is a fourth element. This is a fifth element. Fifth element. This is a first element, second element, third element. This is a fourth element. So fourth element, first element, second element, third element, fourth element. So this is a disk. This disk can, we can divide the disk. We can divide disk into number of concentric circles, number of large concentric circles. Why we are going to divide this small element, large elements? You see, this disk, we can divide disk into number of large concentric circles. I'm taking the one concentric circle. This is a element. This is a one element. So this is a radius is, for this one radius is capital R. For this radius is small r. This is a element, small element of the disk. Small element of the disk. This is a width of the disk is, that is a dr. This is a width of dr. So this disk having surface charge density sigma. Surface charge density sigma. Surface charge density sigma. And this is a disk having charge. Total charge is we are checking. Total charge is this is a Q. This is a Q. This is a small element. Small element having the charges, that is a dq charge. Total disk, non-connecting charge disk is non-connecting disk having charges small q. Small element of charge, small element having charges dq. This is a P point. This is a P. This is a P point P. Point P keeps on any point on the axis. From this is origin. From here to here is the distance n. This is a element I'm taking at this point. This is a small element. This is at this point. At this point, we have to find out electric potential due to the charge. Distance from here to here is, I don't know. This is from here to here is radius. What is the radius? This is a total radius is from here to here is radius r. From here to here is distance is, this is a small radius r. Small radius r. According to Pythagoras laws, this is x, this is r, means this is a root of r square plus x square. R square plus x square. This is a point. Now this is a small element. Next, so what we have to find out electric potential. Electric potential. This is a surface charge density. Surface charge density is equal to charge by area. Charge by area. Sigma is equal to Q by area, means 4 pi capital R square. This is a Q is equal to sigma 4 pi R square. This is a formula for it. Okay now, this is a, but I'm taking the small element. Small element I'm taking. Small element. This is element. This element. Small element. This is element. Radius R. This is a radius R. Small r. This is a element. This is a width having dr. This is a width of element. Width of element. Sigma is equal to charge. What is the charge having? That is a small dq by area. So dq is equal to sigma into a. dq is equal to sigma area, means what is a 2 pi r into width is, that is dr. This is a dq is equal to sigma 2 pi r dr. This is a dq. This is a charge on the small element. This is a charge on small element. This is a charge on small element. Small element. At this point, we have to find out the electric potential. Electric potential. Let us find out electric potential at any point on the non-connecting charge disk. Non-connecting charge disk due to small element. Charge electric potential due to charge on small element. Charge on small element. Charge on small element. This is a small element. At this point, we have first. So that is a dV is equal to small potential is equal to K. This is a dq by distance between here to here is, that is a r square plus x square. This is at this point we have to find out the electric potential. At this point we have to calculate the electric potential due to small element. Small electric potential due to small electric potential due to charge on small element. Charge on small element. So what is a charge on small element? This is a charge on the small element. This is a charge on the small element. This is a charge, that is a dq by distance between and small element and point P is root of r square plus x square. This is next. So electric potential due to charge on disk. Integration applied both sides of the equation. R square plus x square. Integration applied both sides of the equation. Derivative integration cancel each other. Lower limit is 0. Center of the circle. And total disk radius is, what is the radius of the total disk? That is the capital R. So V is equal to integration 0 to R K. dq means, what is the dq? Charge the small element sigma 2 pi r dr by root of r square plus x square. That is okay. So next, this is so K is constant, V is equal to K constant, and remaining one is constant, that is a dr, 2 pi also constant, sigma also constant. K means I'm going to write 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, and one is constant. Next, 2 pi constant, sigma 2 pi is constant, r dr by root of r square plus x square. This is integration 0 to r. Sigma 5 cancel, 2 1 2 cancel. So V is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught. This is the integration. This value is we are getting. So epsilon naught. So root of, we are getting integration, that is a root of capital R square plus x squared minus x you are getting. So this is the integration there. Next, at the center point. Next, at the center of the disk. This is a very, very important point. At the center of the disk. Center of disk, x is equal to 0, v is equal to center of the disk, sigma by 2 epsilon naught root of r square plus 0 minus 0 in the place of x. So Vc is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught and square, and this is a square root of r square, 0 minus 0 0 cancel. This is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught, or this is a electric potential at the center of the disk. Center of the disk. That is your answer. This is a charge on old disk. Old disk. Old disk. Old disk. We're getting this. Okay. Now keep in mind. Next one. Center of the disk. Charge the disk. Okay. Charge the disk. So next, X much greater than 2R. Much greater than 2R. I'm checking that equation. So V is equal to sigma y to epsilon naught. That is the root means I'm going to write that is R square plus X square whole power of 1 by 2. Root has written 1 by 2 minus X. So this is V is equal to sigma y to epsilon naught. X square take common. X square and whole power of 1 by 2. X square take common. X square whole power of 1 by 2. That is 1 plus, that is R squared by X square whole power of 1 by 2 minus whole power of 1 by 2, 2 cancel each other. V is equal to sigma by 2 epsilon naught X. This is X into what? X into, this is X. 1 plus, according to binomial theorem, this is 1 by 2. So this is a 1 by 2. I am writing binomial theorem. That is 1 by 2. This is R squared by X squared. R squared by X squared minus X. Minus X. So V is equal to sigma by to epsilon naught. X take inside. X into 1 X plus the X into R squared by 2X squared minus X. So here X cancel, remaining X there, plus X minus X cancel each other. Sigma by 2 epsilon naught. This is R squared by 2X. R squared by V is equal to sigma R squared by 2 into 2 4 epsilon naught X. This is a divide 5 by 5. So V is equal to sigma phi R squared by, this is a 4 pi epsilon naught X. This is a Q is equal to sigma phi R squared. This is a Q is equal to, this is a Q. This is a total charge on the disk. This is a Q is equal to phi R squared. So Q is equal to sigma phi R squared. This is a total charge on the disk. Total charge on the disk. Total charge on the disk. That is the total charge on the disk. Okay, that is a value. That is the total charge on the disk. Okay, this is a derivation is very important. Just keep it. It is not for it is not for IP. It is for the. Okay, thank you very much. Tomorrow I will explain the remaining. Okay.